Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Etisalat home wireless location online. So in order to do it, first of all, you will have to download and install my Etisalat UAE app that is renamed as E and UAE. So you will have to download and install that application on your device. Then you will have to simply log in into your account with the help of UAE Pass. For that, tap on this option that is right before the cart option, and here you will have to simply tap on login with UAE Pass, and you need to just complete your login process. Now once this step is done and once you have successfully logged in into your Etisalat account, you will have to simply tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and there you will see the manage option. So you need to select the home move there and follow further on screen instructions in order to submit your request. So you need to double check all the information that you enter before actually submitting your request, and once you have satisfied and submit your request to initiate the relocation process. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.